Look at example number 22. Illustration 22. X and Y are partners sharing profit in the ratio 2:1. They admit Z in the partnership for 1/4 share of profit which he acquires equally from X and Y. Z brings in rupee 1,65,000 as capital and rupees 30,000 as goodwill in cash. Pass entries and calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In this question, it is very much similar to the illustration number 21. But what the difference you find? The difference related to the ratios is given to us in the question. In this question, he is also the new partner, that is Z, also bringing the amount of goodwill and capital and goodwill in cash. But the ratio point related to ratio is something else. It is the second point we did in the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. If you remember, the share 1/4 acquire equally from X and Y. See students, whenever in the question acquire ratio is given to you, it means the acquire ratio is equal to sacrifice ratio. Let's understand it more. If I am telling Z acquire 1/4 equally from X and Y, what does it mean? Z get from X 1/8. Z gets from Y 1/8. What does it mean? He is getting 1/8 and 1/8. It means 1:1 from both of the partners. It means whenever he is acquiring equally, that equal means 1:1 will be the sacrifice ratio. So when you have to, let's come to the entry part now. Bank account debit to Z capital account to premium for goodwill account. The new partner is coming with the capital of 1,65,000 and goodwill of 30,000. Altogether it will become 1,95,000. Now premium for goodwill account debit to X capital account to Y's capital account. The amount of the goodwill that is brought by the new partner in cash is to be credited among the partner in their sacrifice ratio. And what will be the sacrifice ratio? It will equal. Why it is equal? Because it is given specifically in the question. The share is acquired from X and Y equally, means X and Y are making the equal sacrifice. So premium of goodwill is to be credited among those partners in their equal ratio. If we come to the illustration number 23, look at this point. In this question, he is acquiring, look at the second line carefully. He acquired 2/3 from Ram and 1/3 from Shyam. It means the whole question is same, but the sacrifice ratio will be changed. The sacrifice ratio will be in that case 2:1. Look at the solution part C. In the second entry, when the retaining entry is to be made, premium for goodwill account debit to Ram to Shyam, the amount credited in 2:1. So what is the conclusion? While passing the journal entry of premium method, first of all, you have to see whether the new partner is bringing the amount of goodwill in cash. If he is bringing the amount of goodwill in cash, the first entry will be bank account debit to new partner capital account to premium for goodwill. That's all about first entry. Second entry of the retaining, whatever the premium for goodwill is brought by the new partner, whatever the amount of premium of goodwill is brought by the new partner is to be credited among the partners in their sacrifice ratio. I'm repeating, if the old share and new partner share is given only, then the sacrifice ratio will be the old ratio. When the acquired share equally given, then equal will be the sacrifice ratio. When acquired share is given in a specific ratio or specific proportion, then that particular specific ratio will be the sacrifice ratio for the entry of retaining of goodwill. Then in this question it is given that goodwill is also 1/4. See, look at the statement. 1/4 of the amount of the goodwill is withdrawn. As I told you in the previous, I have quoted an example in the previous question. 2,40,000 is retaining in the business and 1/4. Then what will be the 1/4 of 2,40,000? It will be 60,000. Means 2,40,000 into 1/4. It will be 60,000. 60,000 is withdrawn by the partners in which ratio? In their sacrifice ratio. Whether you can distribute the 60,000 in 2:1 or whether you can make the 1/4 and 1/4 of these amounts. 1/4 of 1,60,000 will be 40,000. 1/4 of 80,000 will be 20,000. Thank you.